coordinate geometry we have started, and coordinate geometry is the study of geometry with the help of coordinates. Coordinates means the location of a point. Suppose here is a point, here is a point, this is a point. This point has some location with respect to this origin. This point will be have some location, and we are studying the Cartesian uh, coordinate plane. So in this we have x-axis, this horizontal line is x-axis, and this vertical line is y-axis. And the intersection point, this O is origin, this is the reference point. And when you will move in this direction, you will take the numbers positive. When you will move in this direction, you will take the number negative. Similarly, when you move upward, you will take plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. When you will move downward, you will take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And this is positive y-axis, this is negative y-axis. This is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis. And coordinate plane consists of the x-axis, y-axis, and origin. Simple. This we have started. If this is, we know that this vertical line is y-axis, this horizontal line is, this is known as x-axis. Suppose there is a point here, P. P is a point. P is a point, and from this point I am drawing a perpendicular on the y-axis. And if this point, this intersection point is M, and the distance PM is x. And from this point P, I am drawing a perpendicular on the y-axis, and this is Pn, and this distance is y. So the coordinate of point P will be x comma y. You have already studied this thing in the 9th class. I am just telling you this again. So x coordinate is the x coordinate of a point. X coordinate of a point is the perpendicular distance. Is the perpendicular distance between the point. This is the x coordinate. This is x coordinate of point P. This is y coordinate of point P, and y coordinate is the distance between the point P and the x-axis. X coordinate is the distance between the point P and y-axis. You can see here. This x coordinate is known as abscissa, and this y coordinate is known as ordinate. So this is a point, point, point P, and this point P have x coordinate, have y coordinate. And what is x coordinate? X coordinate is a distance between the point P and the y axis, perpendicular distance between the point P and y axis. Y coordinate is the distance, perpendicular distance between the point P and x axis. And this intersection point is origin. Getting Azaan? Getting?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because you have to remember what is the x coordinate, what is y coordinate. Okay, what, how can we measure x coordinate of a point, how can we measure the y coordinate of a point. P is a
Yes.
point, P is a point, and I am writing all the things here. P is a point having x as x coordinate, y as y coordinate, and x coordinate is the distance pm. I can write pm distance. Beta, have you seen graph paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we use the graph paper and when we locate, suppose a point given as p and the coordinate is given as 5,6, so means the distance from origin to that point is 5 with respect to x axis, and with respect to y axis the distance will be 6. I will show you how to locate a point. This is origin, this is x axis, this is y axis, this is y axis, and I have told you the distance in this direction. We will take 1 to positive distance. Means distance can never be negative, but you will take numbers with sign. This here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can take 8, 9, 10 according. Here you will take as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. You will have a graph paper like this. You will have a graph paper and you can mark the distance on the graph paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and accordingly you can mark the point here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So if we have a point P having the coordinate, having the x coordinate as 2 and y coordinate as 4, and we suppose, and this is the graph paper, you will see the graph paper will be like this, and we have to uh, find the location of this point. Location of P having the x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 4. So this is very simple. So first what you should do, you suppose that initially you are at origin. You will always start from the origin. You will always start from the origin. So what you will do, you will move 2 distance in x-axis. Along x-axis you will move 2. Move 2. Now you are here. X coordinate is 2 and you move 2 distance in this direction, means 2 here, and now you have a 4. Now you have to move perpendicularly at a distance 4. You have to move from here like this. So final location of the point is this. Final location of the point is this. This is a point P having coordinate 2, 4. In this way you can locate the point. If you want to locate the coordinate of point Q, -2, 4, -2, 4, if you want to locate, then start from the origin. This is -2. Now x is -2. Move in this direction. -2 a distance of 2 in this direction. Now you are here, and now perpendicularly move to 4. So you will be here. So this is the point Q having -2, 4. So in this way you can locate any point. You can locate, if someone is saying locate -5, -6, -5, -4. So move -5 and now perpendicularly move -4, -4 in y coordinate in this direction. So -5, -4 will be in this. So Azaan, now can you locate the points accordingly?
Yes, sir.
Now you can note it down.
Okay.
Beta completed.
No, sir. Scroll down. Done, sir.
Now I am saying that we have this is y axis, this horizontal line as x axis, and this intersection point of both the lines is origin. And if I am saying to you that find the distance between these 2 points, we have given the 2 points, and here a point q is given, coordinate -2, 4, and here another point p is given, having the coordinate 2, 4. And suppose we have to find the distance pq between these 2 points. We want to find the distance. So this distance we can find with the help of graph. You can measure distance from here to here, here to here. So see what will be the distance. Here to here distance is this distance. This distance is 2 now. We moved 2 in this direction, and in this direction also we have moved 2. So distance PQ will be 2 units. Units means distance can be in centimeter, can be in meter, can be in kilometer. So that is why I am writing 2 units, 2 meter or 2 kilometer, like this. Now we have find the distance very easily, no problem. But if someone is saying find the distance between the point A, point is given as 29, 100, and B point is given as 1000, 800, and we don't know the location of the point on the graph, and this is very bigger number as compared to this. And someone saying that find the distance between point A and B. Find the distance between point A and B. Now for us, Finding distance between A and B with the help of this method, graphical method, will be very difficult. Will be very difficult. So it is difficult to find distance between A and B graphically. We cannot find distance easily with the help of graph. So we have to introduce a system or a method, and that method is known as the distance formula. Distance formula. Distance formula is a formula which gives us the distance between 2 points. Gives distance between 2 points. Suppose the point A is here, and this point A have the coordinate x coordinate as x1, y coordinate as y1, and another point B is there having the x coordinate x2 and y coordinate y2. Distance formula gives the distance between 2 points. D is the distance between 2 points. So we can calculate D, or you can say AB, or you can say distance between point A and B. Distance between point A and B is equal to, first write under root and write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Or you can write this formula either x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, depending upon you how you want to write this formula. So this is the distance formula, very important formula. This is the distance formula, very important formula. So distance formula gives the distance between 2 points, only 2 points we have, and having the coordinates of point 1 is x1 y1, point 2 as x2 y2, and distance formula is this. Find the distance between point 1 comma 2 Find the distance between point P 1, 2 and Q 4, 3. Two points are given. P point is given here as the coordinates of P point is 1, 2 and another point Q is given. This is point Q and having the x coordinate 4. This first one is x coordinate, and second one is y coordinate. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. So what you will do if you want to find the distance, distance PQ you want to find, then what is the formula? You can use either x2 minus x1, or I am using x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will use this formula. Okay. We have this formula for the distance. Now we should have x2, x1, y2, y1. So you can suppose this point as x1, this point as y1, this point as x2, this point as y2. Now you can easily find PQ, means the distance between the point P and Q is PQ. So what is the value of x2? X2 is 4. So write here 4. Minus sign, x1, x1, 1 and square of this plus y2, 3 minus y1 means minus 2 and square of this. 4 minus 1, 3 whole square. 3 minus 2, 1 whole square. You can write this 3 3s are 9 and 1 1s are 1. So the distance will become under root 10. So distance between point P and Q will be root 10 units. Azaan, getting? Okay, this is important formula यार. We have to learn it. तो आपने यहाँ तक ये हो गया था, मैंने बता दिया था आपको ये चीज.
जी सर.
बेटा आप जब क्लास लेते हो तो आपको पता है कि 5 बजे आपकी क्लास जितने भी टाइम होती है तो आप अपने घर पे रुका करो ना, दूसरों के घर. मतलब मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है, आपको क्लास जब लेनी है तो आप समझ रहे हो ना मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. अब मेरे भी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे दोस्त रहते हैं, अब मैं ये क्लास उनके घर जाके लूँ तो क्लास के बाद आप जा सकते हो जहाँ पे जाना है आपको. अब मैंने आपको ये क्वेश्चन बता दिया था ये वाला.
जी सर.
पक्का. ठीक है.
जी सर.
सो हमें ना वी हैव टू अप्लाई द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. पहले x2 माइनस x1 प्लस y2 माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर. मतलब 1 घंटे की तो क्लास ही होती है आपकी, और फिर उसमें भी फिर ठीक है. तो आप 1 घंटे की क्लास लेने के बाद आप जहाँ जाना चाहो चले जाना.
ओके.
अब मेरा भी तो मन करता है कि अब मैं जाऊँ कहीं घूमने जाऊँ, ये करूँ वो करूँ. हर किसी का करता है, हर इंसान का. बट हमें अपना काम करना होता है. मुझे पढ़ाना है, आपको पढ़ना है. मैं भी घूमने जाऊंगा, क्लासेस खत्म हो जाएंगी तो यहीं थोड़ी बैठ रहूंगा. ठीक है अजान. ओके, लेट्स कम टू आवर टॉपिक. दैट इज फाइन. So, so you have seen this. If you want to find the distance between the 2 points, if you want to find the distance between the 2 points, then you will use this formula, and we have done this question. Okay. If you don't want to study, then you can tell your parents that that is not an issue. If you can do these things by yourself, then it is good. Why are you wasting your time in this class? Okay. So I am taking a question. Find the distance between points. A point is given as -1 comma -5. B point is given as 6 comma 5, and you have to find the distance. Azaan, do you have copy and pen with you?
Yes sir.
Okay. So I am just writing the formula. We have the formula of distance. You are a good student. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 स्क्वायर. सो ये हमारा फॉर्मूला है. ठीक है. अब x1 मैंने कहा x1, दिस इज x1, दिस इज y1. टेक दिस x1 y1, दिस इज x2 y2. नाउ सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बाय योरसेल्फ. ट्राई दिस at least.
Okay.
You have to put the values according to x2 minus x1 and like this. And after 2 minutes and after 3 minutes, I will solve it and you can check your answer.
Sir, 149.
Under root 149. Okay, let's
Yes,
check.
sir.
Let's check. This is, we have formula x2 minus x1 means 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 whole square plus y2 5 minus 5 minus 5 square. This will become 6 plus 7. Okay, Azaan. 6 plus 1 7 square plus 5 plus 5 10 square. This will become 49 plus 149. Your answer is right. Units. Okay. I'm just taking another question. Now, with the help of distance formula, we will see the collinearity of 2 points. Collinearity means whether the points lying on the same straight line or they are making it triangle. So, collinear points. Collinear points means 3 points lying on the straight line. A, B, C. For the collinear point, you can write 3 points lying on straight line. If they are lying on the straight line, means they will not make the triangle. So you can write AB plus BC. AB plus BC is equal to AC. Non-collinear points means 3 points will lie not lie on the straight line. 1 point is here, 1 point is here, 1 point is here. These points will make a triangle. These are non-collinear points. These are non-collinear points. You can take this as point P, Q, and R. They will form a triangle. Now, do the points 3, 2, -2, 3, and -2, -3, and 2, 3, 2, 3. Form triangle. If so, name the triangle. Do you want to solve it, Azaan?
Okay, sir.
You can try it.
Sir, we should first find the, using the formula, we should find all the values, right?
Actually, just I am solving.
Okay,
This is
sir.
this is something different. 3 points are given. This point, this point, this point. So you can take these points as A 3 comma 2, B -2 comma -3, C 2 comma 3. You can consider and
Okay.
let these points. So what you will do first, you will find the distance between AB.
Yes.
Distance between AB, you will find this y2 minus y1 square, x2 minus x1 square. You can do it or not? So give me a minute. I don't want to write it directly.
Sir, like I will be able to find the values.
Okay, you are so that is very nice.
Okay.
So you can find this now. So
Yes.
this will be -3 and this will be -2. This will become -5 square.
Yes.
This will be -2. This will be -3. This will be -5 square. This will become √50.
Yes.
If you want, then find AB and then find BC. So this will be 3 and plus 3. This is 36. This will be 2 plus, this will become 2 plus 2, 4, 16. This will become 52. Then find AB, BC and AC. 3
Root
minus
50.
2, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. This will become, sorry,
1.
2 minus 3. This will become 1. Then this is √2. We have
So
AB,
2,
we have,
so 2 minus 3 will be -1, right?
yeah, but when you will do the square, then you will get 1.
Oh,
Then,
yeah. Okay.
okay, like this. Okay, no problem, we can do that. 2, oh sorry, 3 minus 2. And when you will do this 2 minus 3, this will become -1 and the square of -1. Okay, and this will become square of 1. So this will become minus 1 square means 1. So we have this, and I have told you, if 3 points are collinear, then they will not form the triangle. They will not form the, if 3 points are collinear means they are lying on the straight line. If 3 points are on the straight line, no triangle will be formed. But if 3 points are not lying on the straight line, then they will form the triangle. Here, Azaan, do you have the idea of the Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
Very good. A. So you have to think like that. You have to think like that. Like that. If this side BC is root 52, if this side AB is root 50, if this side AC is root 2, so you apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras was the mathematician, great mathematician. Apply Greek scientist Pythagoras. I don't know the spelling. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Means Pythagoras theorem. I am just telling what is Pythagoras theorem. You have this triangle. You know triangle have 3 sides, and this type of triangle is known as right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angle triangle means the angle between any two sides of the triangle, at least one angle in the triangle will be 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree, means this angle is right angle triangle, and this 90-degree angle, and opposite to this BC, opposite to this side BC will be hypotenuse. BC hypotenuse, and I am representing this with H. This is hypotenuse H, and this angle is on this angle is on this. So this is, if this angle is theta, if you are taking this angle, you can take this angle. We will discuss this in the have you studied trigonometry in your school, Azaan?
Yes, sir.
Very good, then no problem. If you are taking this angle theta, opposite to this theta, this will be perpendicular. If you
Yes,
know the trigonometry, then you will know what is perpendicular.
yes, sir.
Yeah. And the other side is base. So perpendicular I am representing with P, base I am representing with B. According to the Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, if the triangle is right angled, then hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. If this is valid, then the triangle is right angled. So see here whether this is valid or not. Hypotenuse square means root 52 square. Perpendicular square means root 50 square. Base square means root 2 square. Now check LHS and RHS. Root 52 square. What is the root 52 square, Azaan?
1 second.
Beta, multiply root 52 two times. You will get
Yes, sir.
52 only. You will get 52 only.
Yes, sir.
If you want to find the square of this, then the answer will be the number inside.
Yes, sir.
If you want to
50.
50, if you want to this, then it will become 2.
2.
And this is 50, this is 2. So this is 52 and this is 52. So you can say LHS equal to RHS. Means Pythagoras is valid in this triangle. Means you can say these points are forming a triangle. These 3 points are forming the triangle. This is they have asked, do the points form the triangle? You will say yes. These points will form a triangle. If so, name the triangle. The name of the triangle is
Right.
right angle. Right angle triangle. So you can write yes. Given points from the triangle, from the triangle, and triangle is right angle triangle. Do you have RD Sharma of 10th class?
What's it?
Yeah. RD Sharma, there is a book RD Sharma.
No.
No problem. Do you have NCRT?
Yes, sir.
That is fine. So in this way you can solve this question, and now you can note it down. Azaan,
Sir, I have
please.
already noted it down. I was writing with you.
Okay. Okay. And please, mm, okay, fine. That is fine. Got it? Got it? All the points?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Azaan. Now you can leave the meeting, and now you can enjoy.
Okay, sir.